So in this video, I'm going to explain you how we can protect a column or any row inside the Excel sheet with the password. So let's create an Excel file first. Right click on it, click on new Microsoft Office Excel worksheet. So my file has been created. I will provide any name, press enter and open it. So a new Excel worksheet has been created. Now I will, for demo, I will create a demo project. So now I want to protect column A. So I want like everybody can edit any other part, but not column A. So I just want to lock the column A with the password. So what I need to do, first press Control A, means Control A, then again A. So in this way it has selected whole Excel sheet. Now press Control 1. So it has opened a dialog box. Okay, now go to protection and here there is one check mark, so untick it. Okay, now click on OK. So whole Excel workbook has been unlocked. Okay, so now what I need to do, select that column which you want to lock. So I want to lock column A, so I will select like this way. Okay, and then again press Control 1. So again the same dialog box will appear, and in the protection now you can tick mark locked and click OK. So up to this part it has been done. Now what I will do, I will right click on sheet 1, click on protect sheet. Now it is asking to provide password. I will provide any password here. Okay, now click on OK. Then again it want to make a confirm password. So the same password which I provided earlier, the same password I will provide here and click on OK. So in this way column A has been protected with the password. Okay, now what I will do, I will press Ctrl S to save this Excel sheet. So it has been saved. Now I want to show the use case, so how it has working now. So let's suppose I want to edit this column A. So anything, so if I double click on it to edit it, so it will show the error dialog box saying that this column has been protected with the password. But if I want to edit any other column, so if I double click on it, so it will allow me to edit that column. Okay, and even I can change the value here. So let's say, so in this way I have changed it. Okay, but when I want to change this column A, so when I'm pressing anything here, so it is showing error message. So this way it is working. Now you came to the position like you want to unlock this column. What you need to do, the same thing, click on sheet 1, right click on it, sheet 1, and click on unprotected sheet. Okay, then provide the same password by which password you have protected that column. So I will provide the same password here and click on OK. So now in this way it has been unlocked. Now you can edit anything here. Okay, so as you can see I can edit this column as well. Okay, so this way it is working.